So this concludes my wallpaper extravaganza at a customer's home. They got a new home and they had me install all of their wallpaper. This was the first wood veneer wall covering. Let me take you upstairs and show you what else I hung. Then we did the guest bathroom. This is a paste the wall product. Then we did a mural in the boys' room. This is one of my favorites. And I made separate videos for all of these. And then we did the laundry room. Very popular place now to hang paper. Beautiful wainscoting. And you'll see that I did a video on hanging the paper around the pipes. What do you think? And lastly, we did this beauty. One of my favorites. Very good quality wallpaper. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think.